This is a new hotel. How long?
We open in November 1st.
Just this last, just a few months. This lobby is stunning. You feel welcome the moment you come in. The colors are so rich. Lots of great places to sit, which I so appreciate. This is lovely. And I'm with the wedding planner, Marlene. And she's going to take me around.
Okay, so here we have a standard room. We're in Grand Palladium TRS Coral, and this is a junior suite.
And what view do you call this? Any particular type of view?
No specific room.
And this is the lead-in category. So what that means is this is the first room category that pops up and the best priced. And this is what you would get. I mean, this is absolutely stunning.
And this is pretty much the worst you can get here.
Goodness me. There's the view, ocean in the background there. So here's plugins for your USB. That TV seems very large. It's like a 60-inch, I would think. Could be. This bed looks amazing. Do you know the type of mattresses that you have?
Well, we only have a king or two queen size beds.
Oh, they're queen size? Oh,
Yeah.
that's a good thing. You can fit 2 people in a queen size. On a double, not so much.
Yeah.
And here's your air conditioning, heat monitoring, full-length mirror, and more plugins where you put your suitcase. And here we have an espresso and a coffee machine. So here's the type of coffee, Pringles. Oh, and a bottle of Absolute vodka. You had me at that. Vodka's my drink of choice. And look at the lovely wine glasses. My goodness. And is there a mini fridge?
Yes.
Oh, look at how well stocked it is. Snickers. What else do we have? Probably peanuts, juice, beer, large bottles of Pepsi, Diet Pepsi, 7-Up, water. Excellent. And let's check out the closets. Large and lit. And there are the housecoats and slippers. And an umbrella. Very nice. And is there a wall safe? A safe for your belongings? Ah, there we have it. That looks like a large safe, so that would accommodate a 15-inch laptop, I'm sure. And what a bathroom. Is this a jacuzzi tub? Jetted? I think it is. It is jetted. Isn't this beautiful? And there's the bath amenities, soap. Makeup mirror that turns on. Excellent. Double sinks. Lots of fluffy towels for sure. And shower.
Separate shower and WC.
Toilet with a phone just in case, you never know. Massive shower. Oh, love the waterfall. And more amenities. This is beautiful. Lovely. So all of this is mood lighting. You can turn it on and turn it off however you felt. Beautiful. This is the Loft suite. How beautiful. There's a bedroom upstairs, which we will explore in a moment. Very fresh, tastefully done jacuzzi tub. Comfy chairs, nice place to sit and have a glass of wine and look out at the water. I can hear a band playing. Large TV, and again USB ports. Tastefully decorated. It's very calming and soothing. Oh, and you have your own bar. Well, this is rather nice. Does it come with a waiter? Oh, and here we have, a wine fridge. Right?
Yes.
So you can have it stocked with a wine that you like?
Exactly. We have the menu here.
Wow. That is so cool. And again, that well-stocked mini fridge. An espresso and those lovely wine glasses. Very nice. Very nice. And so shall we go upstairs? All right. And they indeed are queen beds. So is this sold as double occupancy, triple?
They're all double, except for the junior. Junior can be up to 3 guests.
This is lovely. Place for your suitcase. Double sinks, plug-ins for your dryer, curling iron, whatever it is that you bring. Shower and toilet. This is spacious. This is at least 1,000 square feet, I would assume. Lovely, I'd like to stay here myself. And this is the half bath as soon as you walk in. So this loft suite has 2 bathrooms. Okay, we're just going to have a wander through the resort. So this side is adult only, correct, Marlene?
Exactly. Over here on the left side, we have 2 a la carte restaurants, which are exclusively for TRS Coral. It's Tapeo, which is a Spaniard, and La Boheme, that's a French restaurant.
Very nice. And they're exclusive to this section.
For TRS Coral, exactly.
And you were saying this room has, or this section has
470 rooms.
470 rooms. And it goes from the first room that we saw all the way to maybe an oceanfront room?
Yes, exactly. Actually, over here up front, we can see the 3 different room categories that we have. Tell you a little bit more as we pass by.
And there's a lagoon that separates.
Exactly.
So are we looking at the Palladium there?
On the other side, we're looking at the Palladium.
Okay. So if I book a wedding here, and there are some guests that prefer adult only, they could stay here, and the guests that had children could stay there.
Exactly. And all of our wedding locations are in Grand Palladium. So you have the facility or the flexibility to have guests in TRS and on Grand Palladium, and everyone can attend the wedding.
So can you spell that? Is it T?
TRS stands for the Royal Suites.
Well, that makes sense.
And as I was saying, we have the 3 different room categories over here. So at the bottom, we have the Junior Suite Swim Up. Then the 2 middle ones are Junior Suites. Those are the first room category that we saw. And then on the top, we have the Loft Suite.
And that's the one we were just in.
Exactly.
Oh, and here, is this a map of the entire property?
Yes.
So this is a map, so you can get familiar when you're staying here. First couple of days, it's always a challenge to know where you are, and then by day 3, you'll have it all figured out. So TRS.
Exactly. And TRS.
The Royal
all
Suites.
this area.
Perfect. So if you get lost, you can always have one of these to refer to. And this pool that we're coming up to, is this TRS? This is
the main pool at TRS. And we actually have some live music going on right now.
live music, swim up bar. Rooms with a view. Something different.